Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Today I'm just doing a Loto Lock Tuesday video. Today I'm featuring the 23230. This is the newer version of the one that I picked previously in a previous Loto Lock Tuesday a while back. This one actually came off a display board and it's drilled or punched through and the core is a little bit seized up. This is the newer version. It's got the Assa Abloy, so this is when officially Assa Abloy started marking the Lockwood products. Basically they're identical except for the keyways face the opposite way. So this one here opens up like so. I do not have a key for this one, but I assume it will open the other way, so the shackle would spring up from this way and pivot on this side. So yeah, that's its own little difference. I do recall this being a 5-pin, and I know this is a 6-pin because I looked it up, and you can tell by the key it does have 6 pins on it. So that's the bitting on the key. So you've got some mids, some highs, and then some mids. So yeah, so they are 30mm wide, 4.8mm stainless steel shackle. The 312 model of the Loto from Lockwood Assa Abloy has got the red jacket and is key retaining. This one is not. So this one does have a sprung core and it's got a shackle spring as well. The 312 is key retaining. This one is not, as you can see. So this, I think this is the base model of the Loto locks that Lockwood produce. Alrighty, enough jibber jabbering, and let's give this a pick. Oh, one more thing I did want to show you is that this has got a C4 LW4 keyway. So we've got one here, which is a full size, and the key from this will fit into there, but you can see how it's not very tall. So just compare the two keys from bottom and to shoulder. So as you can see there, it's much lower, and this key from the rim cylinder will fit in there. Same keyway, but it's just too high. So they've just taken down the top a little bit just to make it more compact than the 30mm. Alrighty, so let's just see if it still works in there. Yeah, it works fine. Lock it back up. And on the C4/LW4 keyway, I like to use bottom of the keyway tension and work off that little ledge there on the right hand side. So I'm just going to zoom in and get a better look at that. So yeah, basically I'll work off that ledge right there. So I'll be working off there, and because this is such a smaller keyway than your usual C4s, I'll use a shallow hook. So I'll go with the LotoLock gem 1 and hook number 1. And the gem is, as you can see, is quite flat. It's not. This one's a little bit steeper. So I'll start off with this one and see how we go. Alright, that's pretty loose. I mean, it's not binding on the body because I had problems with it with this one, I think, and it's pretty seized up, this core anyway, because of what's done to it. But this one's a brand new display one, so, or X-display now. So we'll try to get in there, and okay, it feels like pin 1 is binding. Okay, got a click out of 1. 2 is springy. I think 3 is springy. 4. I think 4 is binding now. Okay, click out of 4. Okay, 5 now. Click out of 5. 6 down the back. Just gonna ease off my tension a little bit. Oh, something did drop though. Don't know what dropped. Something did drop though. I could hear it. Oh, I think I just reset it. Okay, pin 1 again. Two still springy. Okay, set on 3. Okay, 4 now. I think that's 5 down there now. I think I set 3 and 4 at the same time actually. Okay, that's 5. And 6 down the back. Feels springy, don't know why. Might have overset something here. I reckon I might have. So I've got the tension a little bit. 1. Alright, 2's binding now, which wasn't before. Got to click out of 2. Okay, 3. Oh, cool move. Okay, and we got an open. Alright, so yeah, that is binding on the body a little bit, but as you can see, we do have an open. So, not the hardest pick, but yeah. So how long is the video? 6 minutes. Let's try a couple of other things with this lock. Let's try giving it a zip. So I'm just going to try the same way, get that tension maybe a little bit out of the way. I'm just going to try to zip it. Alright, the zip's pretty easy. As you can see, it's open. Let's try the worm rake and the S rake and the city rake. Let's try all of them. So we'll try the worm first from Sparrows. I'm just going to do up down sort of thing. Or actually I'm going to just scrub the pins. And we got an open. So I've zipped it, wormed it. The snake rake now. I'm just going to put a bit of kinetic. Yep. Snake rake works. Let's try the city rake, shall we? So I'm just going to insert the city rake, give it a bit of up down, just pulsing on the tension here, and we got an open. Alright, so it's not the most secure core, but you know, I suppose it does have its function. Works a lot better than this one did, I tell you. So yeah, that was the 23230 from Lockwood Assa Abloy, lockout tagout. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.